Hi there and welcome back. Although I'm not really keen on it, I think I have to continue cutting the bathroom walls. So let's just get started. I think it was the German author Johann Wolfgang von Goethe who once said Eile mit Weile, which, roughly translated, means something like procrastination is king. So, I decided to clean up my porch first before I had to do the inescapable. Since lumber prices are going up and up here in Europe as well, I tend to collect even more offcuts. Highest time to separate treasure from trash. Last week, when I started to cut the walls, the only success that I had was to make a lot of dust. This week will be different, and this thing will make the change. A simple spray bottle. My idea is to soak the walls with water so that there will be less dust when cutting. Let's see if it works. Yes, it does. I mean, there is still some dust, but by far less than last week. As a matter of fact, my plan was to have this bathroom and the adjoining bedroom ready by late summer. This late summer. Because 2 of my patrons will visit us in my autumn holidays and stay as our guests for a week. We will spend the time together, we'll go boating and fishing, have a barbecue, do trips to Berlin. They will be part of an episode and whatever they are up to. I'm absolutely looking forward to this week, as this will be the first time ever to meet some of my viewers. So the plan was to let them stay in the new house. I took a reality pill and booked a hotel room very nearby so that they have a place to stay and be comfortable during that week. Doesn't it look nice and peaceful? It's not. It's another project. Our jetty has sunk like the Titanic. And this means I have to get deep down into this mud. Ugh. Now it's coming handy that I'm keeping all my offcuts. Let's get started. You hear the muddy sounds? Next week, Laszlo and me will be in Budapest for a week. We will have very short holidays and visit his family and friends. After our return, I will continue and repair this jetty for good. I will remove all the barrels and put the landing stage on solid wooden posts. So, therefore this fix is yet another temporary solution. Some things can't be done on your own. Laszlo's face mirrors the fact that we only got one pair of waders. While I'm already waist deep in the mud, it's a good opportunity to give the reeds a fresh cut. Oh, another rhyme. Thank you all for watching, commenting and subscribing. See you all next week. Have a good and healthy one.